Maybe you must have heard of yam nuggets. They are also called Yamarita, or maybe you might have not heard of it, or this might be your first time. So today I'll be showing you how to make Yamarita and egg sauce. They are very easy and simple. So relax and enjoy this video to the end. This is how to make Yamarita and enjoy it with your egg sauce. First, you need to get your yam. This yam, you need to cut it in finger form, like just as you see in the video. You have to cut it in this in this form. This one I'm showing you right now. Okay, just this ones I'm showing you right now. So the other ones, all those other ones like this one, I just cut them off. But if you still want to use them, fine, you can use them. So once you're done cutting your yams and washing thoroughly, add some salt and some sugar inside your water, and then you put in the yams there, cover it and let it cook thoroughly. You want this yam to cook very well, and then you keep aside to cool down completely. Now you get your flour. This is half cup, 1/8 cup of flour. To that I added some salt, added some seasoning. Okay, I use chicken seasoning. Added my ginger, onion, garlic powder. Added some nutmeg powder. Also, I went in with some baking powder. So I just added some baking powder, like about 1/4 teaspoon. Then going with some curry powder, and then going with some red chili powder. And then I added my turmeric. The turmeric is going to give it a kind of bright color. So I went ahead and combined everything. Then after mixing everything together, I added sugar. I added 1 teaspoon of sugar. So after adding the sugar, I combine everything just as you see. And then here I have some chopped onions, and to these chopped onions I added my eggs. So I used 2 large eggs for this recipe. So added the 2 large eggs. I also then added my chicken seasoning, just a little, because I've added in another one, so you don't need to add too much, so that it will be too the taste will be too bad. Less. So I added some turmeric and some salt, then mix together very well. So I'm supposed to add baking powder here, a little bit of baking powder here, but I forgot. But later I added it when I was trying to do the other thing, so I remembered it. So the next thing you're going to do is just to take this yam that you have cooked and have cooled down, dip it in the egg. Okay, this was when I remembered adding the the baking powder. I added it. So once you dip it in the egg, let the egg coat it well. Then you dip it in the flour. Let the flour coat it well. You take it back to the eggs and let the egg coat it well, and you take it back to the flour and let the flour coat it well. So sometimes you may want to start with the flour first. Flour, egg, okay, or egg, flour, egg. Okay, so once you are done doing that, just gradually take 1 egg, then you coat it in the flour, take it back to the egg and bring it back into the flour. Okay, so the process is quite simple. It's just coating of the yam that you have cooked or that you have boiled. Okay, so if you also have these kitchen tongs or cooking tongs, you can still use it. Just use it to dip there, take it here, then use your spoons to coat it well, and then take it back. Then assuming that maybe, let me say, your flour is much, like you have a very big bowl where you put the flour, you can just dip it there. Even the egg, if you have a very big bowl and you have enough egg, you can just dip it. It will be very easier. Just shake, it will coat. Take it to the flour, shake, it will coat. Okay, then you pick it out. Now when you are ready to fry, place your oil on heat just this way, and then this one that you have already coated, you have to then coat it back in the flour and then back in the egg. Remember, you first coated in egg, flour, then you are coating it back in the flour a little, because by that time you're about to fry, the flour must have soaked in the egg that coated it. So you have to coat it back in the flour again, and then coat it back in the egg before frying. Okay, and you need to fry it gradually on low to medium heat, so that it will fry a little. It will not take up to 3 to 4 minutes to fry because you don't want it to over brown. So that's how to make that. You keep it aside. Now for the egg sauce, put a little bit of vegetable oil into the vegetable oil that you use to fry. Just put a little bit of it in the your saucepan. You add in some chopped onions and spring onions. Then you add in some. This is blended fresh pepper and tomatoes. Okay, you add it into that, and then you're going to be adding some your seasoning cube, your curry powder, even your ginger powder. You can add your ginger powder too. Yes, you're adding your ginger powder, or you can just use this one. This is my ginger, onion, garlic. So you add it. So after adding this, you go add a little bit of salt, and make sure when you're adding all this, you don't add them too much, even from the one you added in the flour, the one you added in the egg, and this one, because if you add too much, it's not going to come out well. Okay. So because you have added, so you need to add them a little by a little so that the taste is going to come together the same. So next you add this is 2 large eggs that you mix together. You add it. After adding the egg, just don't turn it immediately. Leave it for like a minute or two. By the time you leave it, so that the egg is going to cook a little bit before you start turning it, so it's not going so it's going to have those lumpy eggs in it. Okay, and when you're about to turn it, don't just turn it, you just push it. You see how I pushed it? Push it in, push it out, push it just like that. Then once it has come together very well and it has formed all those lumpy eggs, I tend to add some stew seasoning. I just tend to add some stew seasoning. So you can add it at initial time, or you can add it just do I added it. Then you just mix them together, and your egg sauce and the yamarita or yam nuggets is ready. Simple and easy, you can see. So see how this was thoroughly coated. There are some yam nuggets you will see they are not coated so well like this. They are just because they didn't follow this my due process. Just try this and thank me later. Happy Christmas and enjoy yourself.